Welcome everyone. In today's video of Tech It's Simple, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bitcoin Wallet app on your mobile device. So let's get started. To download the app, first, you need to open your Play Store. Just open it. Then you can search for the keyword Bitcoin Wallet in your search bar. Let me search really quickly. You can see the Bitcoin Wallet app in the search result of the search. Just simply click on it. Then just simply click on the install button. You can see the download process has started. You just need to wait for the installation process. Just have patience. As you can see, the download and installation process of the app has been completed in my device. Let's check it out in the app section. And there it is. The installation task has been completed. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.